Saab's contribution towards humanity, our society, our children, our people, our women, everybody, our generation, for generations to come is so immense that it cannot be put down into words. Maybe one day I can take some spirit out of his greatness and put it into a song or poem, but I can just say that we are blessed, extremely blessed to have a man like him live in our times. And if you can just take even a 5% out of what that man tried to do and achieve, and dedicate our lives towards that philosophy and ideology which spoke about humanity more than anything else, and actually get down to doing stuff which mattered, changed people's lives, saved people's lives, then I think we would do him a great deal of, not even a great deal, but we'll make him proud wherever he is. And we hope and pray for you, Idrissa, that you're in heaven and that we get to see you there someday.